We're live on the Facebook page of Basketballista Mike and our major sponsors, Color Sports, TUI, Basketballista, and the Inkers, Abu Dhabi. And we have to thank one of our audience for tonight. Is here.
Okay,
It's the Wonder Boy, none other than the Wonder Boy.
Okay, pasok 50 above category.
Grabe naman, napalala na lang.
25 above lang to.
And we'd like to thank our referee for tonight, Referee Biner and Referee Mike Reyes. First five on patience, Arroyo, Reynado. Is rock and rolling. Passion and Kalunod. First five on caliber 50. First position of caliber 50 is Pasqua. Yes, all alone by Pasqua. It's 2-0. Arroyo. Adil by Pasqua. Kick out pass. Passion to Kalunod. Favorite shot. Bang! Mali! 2-all. It's a first deadlock of the game. Pasqua again. Adil by Reynado. Back to Pasqua. Short. Rebound on Reynado. Now looking for Passion. Rock and roll now in the house. Rock and rolling. Looking for Reynado. Reynado elbow jump in and out top. Rebound again on caliber 50. It's 9 minutes. Nice bomb. Blocked by Reynado. Rock and rolling now. Rock and rolling. Running stop. Looking for Arroyo. Arroyo elbow jump to strong. Rock and rolling again. Rock and roll, stop up, looking for, oh, he's still by caliber 50. 2-1. Now Jude. It's turnover on caliber 50. It's 8 minutes and 48 seconds. 2-all our score. It's the first deadlock of the game. Now rock and rolling. Looking for Passion. Now Passion for Dre. Itong rebound top. It's Arroyo. Stop Kalunod. Elbow jumper again. In and out. Rebound again Arroyo. Arroyo stop back. Reynado. It's caliber 50 ball. Caliber 50. 2-all our score. 2-all. Now Judola. Pasqua. Outside. Looking for Judola. It's 10 seconds to shoot. Rebound. It's motivation ball, motivation. Still our score. 2 against 2. Now rock and rolling. 7 minutes and 30. Kalunod. Bang! Money. On Kalunod. Pasqua. Short, top. Now rock and rolling now. It's rock and rolling. 4-on-2. Rock and rolling. Stop up. Looking for stop. Pull out jumper. Bang. Rock and rolling. 6-2. It's a 4-point lead now on motivation. And a 4-0 run coming from motivation. Now Jude. Judola. 10 seconds to shoot. Jude. Hey! He's still again on Reynado. Rock and rolling. 2-on-2. Rock and rolling drive. Rock and rolling. Nice defense on caliber 50. 6 minutes and 35 seconds. Just our first quarter, our second game. For our 35 above category. As the referee might said. Nice bomb! Block! Rebound! Block again! It's a block party coming from caliber 50. Still, it's 2-on-2. Rebound again. It's Passion. Looking for Arroyo. Arroyo drive. Arroyo kick out pass to Araynado. Here, short again. Rebound again on the color 50. 3-2. Steal Pasqua. Now it's Laurete. Laurete goes to goal. Short. Passion. It's robbery violation. Passion. Nice defense on Pasqua. It's now 6-2 still score. 4-point lead on Motivation. Nice play. Drive. Nice defense on Rock and Roll. All the way. Rock and Roll. Time out. On cover 50 now. 8-2. 6-0 run coming from Motivation. And again, we'd like to thank our sponsors. It's TUI, Basketball is the Mike, Horror Sports, The Inkers, and Chicks to Go, Abu Dhabi. And our two referee for tonight, other than referee Binel and referee Mike Reyes. Now, Diola. Pasqua, back to Diola. It's 2-1. Connection, short up. It's Arroyo. Passion. Now, Passion, driving, rock and limb. Lancel, face bounce. Short by Arroyo. Top. In and out by Kalunod. It's Passion. Too strong. Rebound na nga on Caliber 50. It's 4 minutes remaining time. 1-1. Pasqua. Dingola. 10 seconds to shoot. Pasqua. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On the big guy. I can shoot. Now 8-5. 3-point lead Motivation. Arroyo. Crosser. Now Calona. Elbow jump again. Short. Arroyo. May particle pass. Araynado. 10-5. Motivation now up by 5. Now Digola. Looking for Pasqua. Pasqua now. 10 seconds to shoot. Oh, what a play. Turnover again on Caliber 50. 3 minutes. Nice pass. Flying pass to Pasqua. Now it's rock and rolling now. Rock and rolling is still again on Caliber 50. It's 3-2. Caliber 50 is 4-2. 5-2. It's the issue now. It's all too strong. Top. Rebound. Top. Arroyo. Now again. Bang! Big guy now can shoot again. Now Kalunod. Now turnover on Motivation. Back-to-back turnover on Motivation. It's 10 against 7. Motivation up by 3. Alsaga. Big guy Alsaga. I can shoot 3. Julpala. Too strong. Top. It's Pasqua. Short. Rebound again. Top. Whoa! Polo jump on Color 50. It's 9-10. 1 point lead now, Motivation. Passion. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Lista mo na. Passion, 39. 4 point lead now, Motivation. 2 minutes. Whoa! Ano? Coming from Laurete, it's 11-13. Now it's looking for Arroyo. Passion again, second time around. Too strong, top. It's Laurete. 3-2. Laurete again. Still on Kalunod. 1 minute and 40 seconds. Arroyo drive. Looking for that. Arroyo pick. Looking for rock and rolling. Short. Rebound on Alsaga. 1 minute and 30. Jude is still on John Kalunod. 3-2. 4-1. Kalunod and service pass to Arroyo. Bang! Foul on number 808 on Laurete. First on caliber 50, first personal foul on the red by it's 1 minute and 19 seconds. It's a 2-point lead on motivation. And we'd like to thank our presence for today, watching live. It's the Wonder Boy. None other than the Wonder Boy, Kyle Pasqua. Judola. Oh, short! But now it's Pasqua. Second time around in Pasqua, 13-14, 1 minute. What a ball game. It's 14-13. Motivation versus Color 50, Arroyo. Caribel Pasqua. Arroyo, zigzag. Tusugos. Pwede mo Arenado, fake. Arenado again, nowhere to go. Arenado, pow. Foul on number 73, Jude. Second first team foul on Color 50 first against Jude. Two free throw shot from Arenado. It's 1-1. Arenado is 52 seconds, 15 against 30. It's 1-2, coming from Arenado. Now, Gani now, leads caliber attack. 4-on-3, 4-on-2 now. Hesitation pa, bang! 15 all, 40 seconds. Rock and lead. Arenado, drive. Too strong, tap. It's caliber 50 again. 30 seconds. Alsaga. 4-on-2, Alsaga drive. Oh, hey, Alsaga. It's already. Drive, short again, tap. It's again, Alsaga. 20 seconds. Short. Napasyon. Looking for Arenado. 15 seconds. What a play, what a pass. It's rock and roll. Hey. 8 seconds. 5. Pasyon. And now, for first quarter, score 15-17. What a ball game. All by motivation by 2. Second quarter ready, second quarter. It's motivation for motivation. Defense on caliber 50. Motivation ball, second quarter. This is our second game for our 40 above category. It's caliber 50 versus motivation. And thank you for watching our live on the Facebook page of Basket Kulisa and our major sponsors, Color Sports, Basket Kulisa Mine, TUI, The Inkers. And we'd like to thank one of our, it's the Blanda Director shot up, rebound on caliber 50. Still on rock and rolling now, looking boy, still by still on caliber 50, kick a pass, 2-on-2, drive, stop up, looking for move, too strong, tap, rebound, complete again, kick a pass, still is foul. Number 6 on rock and rolling. It's first on the rock and rolling. First team foul on the division. Alam mo yan, time to shoot. Short. I'm gonna repeat again. It's too strong. Rebound. It's foul. Foul on number 22 on Big Daddy. It's first on Big Daddy. Second team foul on the division. 9 minutes. 10 seconds to shoot. Rebound on caliber 50 again. Caliber 50 again. Caliber 50. Top. It's the director. The director sa plan. Top. Rebound all the way. It's now the go. Rock and roll. 18-15. Slowly but surely now motivation up by 4.
Kulang kayo sa...
Steal.
Wala si Vivian.
Foul. Again, foul on number 6 on rock and roll. It's third. On the rock and roll, 13 foul on the division. 18 and 22 seconds. Second quarter, second game. For our 40 above category. Now 16-19. It's 1 out of 2. Nice stop. Now Rock and Roll him again. Looking for the director Sablan. Rock and Roll him. Now Rock and Roll looking to the veteran load. First at Black. Rebound. On color 50. On the way. On the way. It's 2-2. Drive. Nice defense. Bang. 18 to 19. 1 point in now. Motivation. Slowly now. Color 50. The director. Top. It's Big Daddy. Big Daddy now. It's foul. Foul on 05 on Caliber 50. It's first personal foul on 05. First team foul, Caliber 50. Big Daddy! Rebound is foul! Foul on number 22 on Big Daddy. Second personal foul on Big Daddy. Warning for motivation for penalty. 7 minutes and 29 seconds. 19 against 18. All man motivation by 1. Whoa! Now 20 to 19. Now Caliber 50 by 1. The veteran. Looking for the director. Favorite shot. Bang! All by board by the director's plan. 21 to 20. 6 minutes. Motivation by 1. Nice play. 10 seconds to shoot. Rebound tap on. Now 2-1. Big Daddy. 1-1 break. Big Daddy to go. It's the veteran Black. Veteran again. Steal. 5 minutes and 40 seconds. Drive. Stop up. 3-2. Rubbing violation on Caliber 50. 21 to 20. Still 1 point in the motivation. 5 minutes and 20 seconds. Now Rock and Roll in. Set a play. Kick and pass to the bet. Now the director is still by steal again. Now still looking for one. Looking for the teammate. It's now. It's foul. Foul on number 8 on the director's plan now. Motivation and penalty. First personal foul on the director's plan. Motivation now over the limit penalty. 4 minutes and 57 seconds. Second quarter or second game for a 40 about category.
Reserve timeout.
Timeout! On Caliber 50, it's 21 all score. It's our third deadlock of the game. Motivation versus Caliber 50 for a 40 above category. Back to the ball game. Back to the ball game.
Magbawas.
Third quarter.
Rock and Roll in. Nakadiretro sa plan. Nakadiretro sa plan now. 4 minutes and 48 seconds. Now 21 all. Running now. It's Caliber 50. 4 on 3. 4 on 2. Right. Stop up. Pull up. Bang! Basket count and 1 on foul on number 13 on McCoy. Number 8. Foul on number 8 on the director sa plan. Second point personal foul on the director sa plan. 2 free throw shot. Bonus free throw on 05 on 23 to 21. 4 minutes and 36 seconds. Rebound again. And then, 25 to 21. 4 point lead now on Caliber 50. The director, the veteran, load. Caliber 2. Kick out pass. Looking for his teammate. Now Big Daddy. Looking for the director sa plan. Director sa blood, favorite shot, bang! No one can stop me! That's the record. 23 to 25. 4 minutes. Ashley, drive. Elbow jump, in and out. Rebound again on the color 50, 14 shot clock. Bang! Elbow jumper 27. Against shoot 23. Now the director again. The director stop. Director looking for the veteran load. Veteran load fake. Now the veteran will guarded by 2. Looking for the director sa plan. The nice pass outside. Rock and roll in. 10 seconds to shoot. In and out. Rebound again on color 50. Now it's color 50 time. Running and gunning. 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Now it's rubbing violation on Caliber 50, 27-23. 4-point lead on Caliber 50 second quarter. Second game. Second match. The director again is the favorite shot too strong. Rebound again on Caliber 50. Now running, gunning, 32. Nice defense on the Bigla Express. McCoy now, 32. It's down the veteran load. The veteran now, the veteran looking for Big Daddy. 25-27, 2 minutes. Running now, nice pass. Keep. Basket count and 1 on Caliber 50. It's 29-25. Foul on number 13 on the Bicol Express, McCoy. Second personal foul on McCoy. 29-25, bonus free throw number 16, 1 minute and 53 seconds. Short. Now it's the veteran load. Running, gunning, guarding to veteran Ispa. You cannot call me the veteran load. Now, second team foul on Caliber 50. It's 1 minute and 31 seconds, 14 seconds clock. Rolling. Looking for the veteran fake. Guarded by 2. The veteran again. Attack. Where are you? Looking for the McCoy. It's the Bicolana Express. McCoy. 29-27. 1 minute and 15. Rosette. Guarded by 3. Rosette again. Nowhere to go. It's foul. Foul again on the director sa plan. It's Meldy.
Kami niyo score. Score.
27.
It's 27 all. 27 all.
Tukan. 27 all sir, 27 all. Lamang sila akin na 4 eh.
1 minute. Now the veteran fake. Drive. Now guarded by 2. Black by the base foul. Now 13 foul on Caliber 50.
Sino yung naka-phone? Sino naka-phone?
There's a one for audience there. It's the Wonder Boy cheering with the veteran load. It's 2 out of 2 on the veteran load. 27-29, 2-point lead on motivation. 45 seconds. In and out. Whoa! 29 all. 30 seconds. Foul. Foul on number 16. Now warning for penalty on Caliber 50. It's 24 seconds remaining time. 24 seconds. 30-29. Seconds. Bang! Low. 10 seconds. 7 seconds. 3-point lead on motivation.
Nakarating pa.
Third quarter.
May plus pa. Nakarating naman si Cesar.
Ilan ba siya?
Before third quarter.
Ilan ba sila? Kunin pera mo. Bibigay. Ha? Bibigay. Pagkatapos mo. Wala ka, Ted. Dumating Ted. Third quarter. Ngayon ah.
Third quarter.
Saan po kayo?
Ba, timing ah. Timing si Cesar ah.
It's caliber 50 ball. Caliber 50.
Kunin mo meron.
Steal ang pasyon. Now kalunod. Favorite shot. Too strong. Top. It's now caliber 50 ball. Giodola. No hesitation shot. Top. Rebound. It's motivation ball. Motivation. Oh, same ball. Caliber 50 ball. Caliber 50. Biloy. Time to shoot.
Nice one.
Short. Arroyo. Now back-to-back turnover on motivation. 10 minutes consumed. 9 minutes remaining time. Black by Arroyo. 14 to shoot. Biloy. Again too strong. Rebound on Arenado. Nice take, Arroyo. Looking for Calunod. Corner jump pa. Bang! Oh, Calunod. 32 to 29. 5-point lead on motivation. Nice fake. Group short. Rebound again by Arroyo. Now on and one looking for Cesar. It's Cesar now. King Cesar. 36. Against the 29. Slowly but surely now motivation up by 7. Nice move Lorente. Right back by Long Arroyo. Same ball. 14 to shoot. 14 to shoot.
Nice.
Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, Giodola! Short!
Pisto. Lalim. Ikot.
Ayan.
Too strong! Kalunod! All alone, it's Cesar! 38 to 32! Back to 6-point lead on motivation.
Sige, harap tayo.
Alzaga. Tap, may pasyon. Again, Arroyo. Wow, nice. 14 to set out, 14 to shoot. 14 to shoot. Biloy. 10.
Take.
Same spot. What a ball! What a play! 34 to net. It's Cesar time. 40 to 34. A 6-point lead. On. Alzaga. Whoa! In and out by Alzaga. Whoa! 40 to 34. 42 to 34.
Chulolo again.
Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, Giodola! 38 and 37, 42. 4 minutes. Cesar Torrenado. It's foul. Foul on number 16 on Alzaga. Time out! On caliber 50. Second personal foul on Alzaga.
After the game.
Forty-two to 37. 42 against to 37. All by motivation.
Sila?
Kalunod. Judola.
Nice. Pitbo. Wapa.
Judola again. 10 percent to shoot. Cesar. Nice pass. Ay, natin ang top. It's Kalunod. Yeah, Kalunod again. Arnado. Bang! Basket count and 1 on Arnado. Foul number 16. Second team foul on number 50. Now, second team foul on number 44-37. 7-point lead motivation. Third personal foul on Alzaga.
Okay, tira.
Jermike.
Whoa! 46 to 37. Now 9-point lead on motivation. Laurete. Alibay Cesar. Biloy. Top. Rebound again. Supporting the Cesar clock. In out. Rebound now on Passion. It's 4 on 2. It's Cesar time. 48 to 37. 11-point lead now motivation. 2 minutes and 35 seconds. Oh! Rainbow shot coming from Kirby 13 and 48.
Si Jude.
Arroyo, looking for Passion. In and out. Top. It's now Kalunod time. Too strong. Rebound now on Kirby. 2 minutes. Laurete. Foul. Foul on number 19 on Cesar. Substitution, rep, substitution. First personal foul on Cesar. First team foul motivation. Jude out, Jude. Pasqua in. Substitution, rep, Jude out. 1 minute and 57 seconds. 40 to shoot. Pasqua.
Tubig, boss.
Oh! Basket count and 1 by Pasqua. Second team foul on motivation. It's violation. Violation on caliber 50. 48 against the 41. Cesar. Short. Top. Cesar again. Hangtan Sarso. 50 to 41. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Alzaga. Judona. Top. It's motivation stats. 51 to 41. 50 to 41. 9-point lead on motivation. 1 minute and 14 seconds. Alzaga. Pasqua, top. 14 is the clock. Alzaga again. Again, too strong. Alzaga rebound again. 14 is the clock. 3-point shot. In and out again. Alzaga. Lorete. Top. Arroyo. It's foul. Foul on Pasqua. 13 foul on caliber 50. Third team foul on caliber 47 seconds. Second personal foul against Pascua. It's still by Alsaga. It's Yudala. Thirty-two seconds. 32 seconds.
3 points.
It's robbery violation to Yudala. 25 seconds, 41 to 50. A 9-point lead on motivation.
Dikit na, dikit. Kita nyo na.
15. Oh! Arayndalo. Right place at the right time. 5 seconds. And now for third quarter, 52 against the 41. 11-point lead on motivation. Fourth quarter ready. Fourth quarter. It's motivation ball. Motivation.
Kung pera ko pa. Magkano po na?
500 at saka 700.
Last quarter.
Tapos na.
And a veteran load. Short. Now turn one. Rosete. Short again. Rebound on Rock and Relief. It's motivation ball. Motivation now 50 to 41. 9 minutes and 35 seconds. Last quarter. Now the veteran load. The Big Daddy Black.
Bisa nyo bola. Balik. Yan. Tira.
Nice make. Running violation again on Caliber 50. It's back-to-back turnover against Caliber 50. And a veteran closer to Arellano. 10 seconds to shoot. Herb too strong. Now 2-2. Rosete. Nice move. Top. Foul. Foul number 5 on Arellano. It's personal motivation.
Ano number na Ronaldo? 5 Ronaldo pa. 5 Ronaldo. 5 Ronaldo first.
Nice, ganyan. Tira.
Whoa! 44-52. 8-point lead now. Motivation. It's a 6-0 run coming from Caliber 50. Rock and relief, right, nice move, he does pass, he needs to open and foul! On number 5 on Arellano, second personal foul on Arellano, second against motivation. It's back-to-back turnover on motivation, 7 minutes and 57 seconds on our last quarter. Second game, rotated right up, rebound on Arellano. It's Rock and Relief. Oh, turnover again on motivation, 7 minutes and 44 seconds. 40 to shoot, 40% shot clock. Substitution up, stop. Rail out.
Nice game.
Now, Yudala.
Benga.
In and out.
Sige! Yan!
Top. Arenado. It's motivation ball, motivation. What a play. Now the better load. Get closer. Looking for that big daddy Black again. Back to back Black by Calramiti. It's Yudala. Calmera can lead.
Nice play! Sige! Sige!
Ace bomb! Foul on number 8 on Sablan. A return now 13 foul occasion. Third personal foul against Sablan.
Nice play!
Too strong, top, Arenado. Rock and relieve. Bang! Rock and relieve. Steal again on motivation. Big Daddy. Wow! Back-to-back steal again on Robiti. Now it's 3-2. Stop pump. Yodala in at Renado and rebound. Renado. Baseball pass. Time out. On motivation, it's 54-44. All by motivation. 6 minutes remaining time for our last quarter.
Delivery, wala. Kanina.
Atin mula!
It's motivation ball, motivation.
Motivation ko yun!
Nice pass! Arroyo! Still on again! Oh! Miscommunication now on caliber 50, 54! Against the 44, 10-point lead on motivation. Rock and relieve! Looking for the veteran, take, grab, get closer, the veteran, bang! Oh, the veteran low! Pasqua! It's revealing violation on Pasqua, 5 minutes and 10 seconds! Rock and relieve!
Let adjust.
Again on short. Rebound on again on. It's 2-2. Pasqua looking for Jodala. Jodala, let it try. Rebound on the veteran Lahode. Now Lahode, it's 3-2. Bottom 5. Look, Arenado. Arenado elbow jump. Bang! Time out! On number 58 to 44. All by motivation. 4 minutes and 44 seconds. What a play coming from motivation. 14-point lead now on motivation. 58 to 44.
Bigay na agad!
What a play! Now it's Philip Cesar on his defense again on number 50. Cesar! Short! We have a basher there. Bashers from the court. Short and rebound Philip Cesar Arainano. Rebound again Arainano. 3 minutes. In and out. Now it's basketball.
Sir, time out mo. Sir, ako eh. Sir, time out mo. Siya na lang.
Chef, ready for sabah.
Asal lang.
3 minutes. 14 to shoot. In and out. Now Arainano. Now it's the veteran, veteran again looking for Saison. Time out. Caliber 50, 60 to 44, 60 point lead now motivation. 2 minutes and 47 seconds for our last quarter, last game. Motivation versus Caliber 50 of 40 above category.
Wala na yung time out, sir. Wala na yung time out, ha. Kung may time out po kayo isa.
Inbound Caliber 50. In and out, top! It's the director sa plan. Nice save, Arroyo. It's McCoy. The Bicolano Express McCoy. The veteran, 1-1. Veteran move. Looking for McCoy's foul. Foul number 8 on Laurete. It's first team foul on Caliber 50. Second personal foul on Laurete. Now the veteran load. Veteran now, 1-1 on Laurete. The veteran one skate. Looking for the director sa plan. Let me fly. In and out. Rebound on the number 50. 2 minutes. Laurete.
Ayun.
Oh! Rebound on. Yes, motivation ball. 1 minute and 54 seconds. Last quarter. Second game. It's still. Top. Whoa! What about now? 46 to 61 minutes and 42 seconds. Arroyo. In and out by Arroyo. It's 1-1. It's Rosete. 48 to 60. Whoa! No one can stop us! Cesar!
Cesar.
Now Sablan! 1 minute and 10! Nice move, nice play again! And service pass coming from motivation. 64 to 48. 1 minute! 55 seconds! Arroyo! In and out, top! A veteran again, a veteran fake. 10 to shoot! Foul! Second team foul on Caliber 50 foul on number 23. Second team foul. It's second team foul on Caliber 50. 49 seconds. Foul. It's 13 foul on Caliber 50. 45 seconds.
Aba, wala pa pala.
40 seconds. Nice move, nice play. 35 seconds. Steal again. 15. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, the better load. 5 seconds. And now the game over. Motivation in 6